Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone guys. Font size guys, how can we decrease? Friends, you want to decrease guys your font size guys. You can see your font size are too very large and large sizes. So how can you decrease it in your Oppo phone device? Today friends I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video friends. And now let's see how can we decrease guys our Oppo phone font size. So guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it and guys you can see that this phone personal setting guys, we will tap here guys. And guys click on this font and display size setting guys, tap here. Again scroll it and so you can see your font size guys, so you can decrease guys in your left side. So guys you can decrease from here. So I will click on default option, apply here for decrease. So guys you can see guys your font size will decrease. Normal font with default font size we have in our Oppo phone device and we can use it. So like that guys you can decrease guys your Oppo phone font size. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.